Good evening, my YouTube viewers. In this particular video, what we're going to talk about is estimation for survey sampling. So estimating population characteristics based on survey data collected from a sample of respondents. And so basically what we've got here is we've got our estimation of a survey sample. So we have a enjoyment of life survey. So we have 12 respondents, and then we've got their ages, and then we've got whether they're male or female, and then we have satisfaction of life from 1 to 5, and recommendation of yes or no. So we're going to analyze this enjoyment of life survey. So a count of recommendations is count if E5 to E16 is yes. So there's nine yeses. And then we check the mean satisfaction. The average is D5 to D16. So that gives you a mean of 3.67. And then we get the standard deviation of the age. So that's STDEV B5 to B16. And the standard deviation is 11.54. And then what I did was I made some pivot tables. So I made the pivot tables on male and female. So you had 6 male and 6 female with a grand total of 12 respondents. And then I did row tables of the age to count the ages to give you a total of 12 respondents. And then we checked row tables of yes and no. So we had 3 no's and 9 yeses to give you a total of 12. And then so what I did was, on this information, I created a cluster chart on a separate sheet. So the cluster chart would not allow me to do it on the same page. I wish it had, but it wouldn't. So you've got a recommendation of yes or no, 3 no's and 9 yeses. So you've got, and then you've got a chart to reflect 3 no's and 9 yeses. And that's your cluster chart. And your cluster chart comes on a separate worksheet. I wish it had come on the same worksheet. I would have liked for it to have been on the same worksheet, but it wasn't. So that concludes this video on estimation of survey sampling. The next video will be on another statistical topic, and I hope that you decide to watch it.